Irregular periods or skipped periods aren't normal. These are the signs that our bodies are giving, and हम उसे तब तक इग्नोर करते रहते हैं जब तक it doesn't become a big problem. Meet my client. She has been working with me since 1 month now, and she is just 19 years old. उनका periods 4 months से missed था. Once she joined Fitness Mantra community, I provided her with a plan जो उनके health concern से related था for her period recovery with this diet and exercises. And within 2 weeks, उनका periods वापस आ गया. So it's just a matter for you to start. Once you start with the right coach, once you start with the right awareness, आपके सारे problems भी धीरे धीरे गायब होते जाएंगे. But you just need to take a step for yourself. Now, such problems, such period fluctuations at such an early age is not something to be just, it's okay, हो जाएगा. That is not something that you want to do. Now, this is my other client who lives abroad, and people who go to abroad to work, they really have a difficult lifestyle there, because of which unka weight gain bhi ho raha tha, plus she had irregular periods and missed periods since 2 to 3 months. Now, once she joined with me, my first take was to look at her health and not for weight loss. When I did that, she started getting her periods back within 15 days, and along the way, within 3.5 months, she even lost 10 kgs. Now, why am I saying all of this to you? Because it is not always about the weight loss or weight gain, but the first thing that comes is आपका health, which is very important. क्योंकि अगर आपका health aligned है, तो आपका weight loss, weight gain, muscle building, आपको जो भी करना है, that can be achieved in a good way. So please don't go and rush for quick weight loss tips, quick weight loss, fat burner, all of those kind of BS, which is not at all good for you, because weight loss हो जाएगा but आपका health बहुत ही ज़्यादा खराब होते जाएगा. And the main important thing is that now she is happy, healthy, and when listens about fitness, it is not overwhelming for her. Instead, it is refreshing for her, because she knows that fitness is not complicated. It's just that you need to know what is right and what is wrong, and that can be achieved with the right coach. So, if you want to work with me and if you want to achieve your health and fitness goals, don't forget to DM me and book your free consultation.